Then I'm going to show you PrettyLinks and how you can use PrettyLinks to make your life so much easier and never miss out on affiliate links, never miss out on money because that's so important. And you can use PrettyLinks for so many different things. First thing I'm going to do is go to my dashboard in WordPress. So this is behind the scenes on my website, and we're going to go to WordPress. Then we're going to scroll on the left until we see PrettyLinks. So you need to install this plugin. So we're going to go to PrettyLinks. Now here are all my past PrettyLinks, and what I love about this too is I can see the clicks. So I can see what links are doing well and what links are not doing well. Like this one, this index fund course. This is a affiliate that I am with my friend Jeremy. He has a course on index funds. I was going to create a course on index funds, but then I was like, why don't I just become an affiliate for his in the meantime? So I have tons of different PrettyLinks here, and I can go in and edit them as well. So let's create a new link. So I'm going to go to add new. Then we're going to select the title. So the title for this one is going to be TubeBuddy. That's just for your own reference. No one is going to see that. Then we're going to put the target URL. So this is where the link is going to redirect to. So then we're going to do the PrettyLink. Now this is going to be your website, freedominabudget.com/whatever you want to have it. And you want it to be pretty easy. So this one I'm going to do freedominabudget.com/TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy is my favorite SEO tool for YouTube, and it's one that I recommend all the time. So this way, now this website is pretty easy, TubeBuddy.com/freedominabudget, but if they ever changed my affiliate link, I would be screwed. And then I would have to go back and change hundreds of links in all of old YouTube descriptions or old blog posts, all that stuff. So I've had affiliate links change in the past, or programs change their affiliate links of doing totally different platforms. So they may have been on Commission Junction before, and now they're on Impact Radius. So therefore, I don't have to go through and change all the different links, and that is just not fun at all, and I'm sure I would miss some. So this way, I can just go in and change a link. So let's see this. So if I wanted to change this Bloom one, this is one for 401ks. So this one, I could just go in and change the link out right here, and then all the past places that freedominabudget.com/Bloom, it's automatically going to update when they click that link. So that is so awesome and such a relief that I don't have to manually do that for all of my links in all the descriptions, all the different places. I love this. It also looks more professional. So if I have this in a description on a YouTube video and I have freedominabudget.com/download upside, it looks a lot more professional and more trustworthy than all these random weird characters or letters that aren't going to look professional, and people are like, is that legit or not? They know my brand, they know freedominabudget.com, and they can trust it. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to pull up a new tab, and I'm going to go to freedominabudget.com/TubeBuddy, and then just hit enter, and this is what it redirects to. So you can see that it redirected to TubeBuddy.com/freedominabudget, but here is the exact link with my tracking so that I'm going to get the credit for this and the affiliate for this. So it says your best friend on the road to success. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension, and that way they can take advantage of this, and then I can get the affiliate when they sign up and upgrade their account. So that is PrettyLinks, and that is why PrettyLinks is so important for your business. If you're a YouTuber, if you're a blogger, oh my goodness, PrettyLinks is the way to go. I personally prefer it so much more than Bitly. Bitly is similar, but PrettyLinks just looks so much more professional and is a game changer.